Welcome back to the classroom. My name is Mr. Wong, and today we'll be explaining an exam question from the 2006 independent paper, question 16 for Year 11 students. This is going to be covering the Module 3 Inquiry Question 1. This is just about looking at wave characteristics. So the first thing we're going to do is we are comparing a transverse and a longitudinal wave motion. So let's go for something slightly different. Let's do this in a table structure. Okay, so we'll do that. We'll do transverse wave and a longitudinal wave here. And we are trying to compare the motion of the wave, okay? So if we're going to compare motion, let's say movement of particles. So movement of particles in medium. And we also have motion of the wave. So motion of the wave. So we know that in terms of a transverse wave, and let's do it in a different color. In terms of the motion of a transverse wave, let's assume that the wave is moving in this particular direction. Okay, so they're both moving in that right-hand direction. The particles will move perpendicular to the motion of the wave. And to be more exact, they're oscillating perpendicular to the wave. So particles will oscillate perpendicular to the wave's motion. Whereas a longitudinal wave, they are going to oscillate backwards and forwards in the direction of the wave's motion. So particles oscillate back and forth in parallel to the wave's motion. Okay. So what does that do for us? Let's try and draw the two. And as a consequence, if we're drawing a transverse wave, we get cresses and troughs. Okay, as the wave is moving in this particular direction, while as for a longitudinal wave, if we just do that and then spread it apart, this is kind of what we see here. So we get what we call the compression point and rarefaction whilst the wave moves this way. We can even highlight again the motion of the particles. So we can say that in terms of the motion of particles, they're going to move up and down like so. So this is going to go up, down, like so. While as the motion of the particles here is going to go back here and then back the other way here. So this particle here is going to move over here and then it's going to move back over here and around like so. Okay, so that's how you do the question. If you found it useful, please give it a like to support upcoming videos that are going to come out, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully you enjoyed the video.